You gotta ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy BobbySneakerworld, and I am back with another countdown video, live cop, whatever you want to call it. I'm here with another one. Y'all already know what today is. Today is countdown on your Foot Locker, your Footaction, and your Champs app for the Pine Green and the Court Purple Air Jordan 1s. Now, as far as the apps are concerned, only Footaction is getting the Court Purple. Finish Line also has an app, and they reserved Pine Greens early. Like, you know, they do theirs like 10 to 12 days early, so you know a week in advance if you reserve those. So I was lucky enough to already secure my pair of Pine Greens. Now I'm going to do this video for all of the, I got 10-minute head starts on all of them, and I have reservations for every side, for all my pairs. But my main focus is going to be on these Court Purples. It had nothing, if anybody follows me on IG or is a Facebook friend of mine, y'all already know that I've been on these for months. I want these Court Purples. I didn't care about if they were limited. I didn't know anything about that way back then, but I have to have these Court Purples. Now I'm scared. Now come to find out, I guess they are extremely limited, lower than the bread tote numbers, which I actually hit 3 pair of. But now I'm nervous. In anticipation, before we get into this countdown, since I already hit on my Finish Line app, I bought something. So it's gonna be a little unboxing, well, unwrapping, unbagging, whatever. So we're gonna see this together. I got this off eBay, super cheap. Just something simple. I like to keep it simple, man. If I got something dope in my foot, ain't no need to overdo it up top. So I don't know what this looks like other than the picture. Receipt. And this is my Boston Celtics. Sorry about the wind. Boston Celtics. Look at the shirt. This is fire. Who you got? You got Big Robert Parrish. You got Kevin McHale. Who else we got? You got Danny Ainge. You got Dennis Johnson. And Larry Legend. Yo, this shirt is dumb fire. Yo, I can't wait to put this on. My neighbor in the video. But anyway, so with all that being said, man, I wish all of y'all luck, man. I hope that y'all hit on y'all Pine Greens, Court Purples, whatever it is y'all looking for. Wish me luck, and then we'll talk more at the end of this video after the live cop. Alright, so y'all can see we under the 30-second mark right now. The size 8 that I got reserved for the Foot Locker is because I already reserved my 10.5. And they, breaking news, Footaction has switched their Pine Greens to first come, first serve. So good luck, y'all. And they staggered it, so we'll go from Foot Locker, then we'll go to Footaction for the Pine Greens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, waitlisted. All right, let's go over to Footaction. Well, this is what we're here for, people. We got 20 seconds. Court Purples. I honestly have lost a little bit of confidence, even though I got my 10-minute head start. My God, I don't even know what to think, man. Let's go. Woo! 5, 4, 3, fingers crossed, 2, 1. What we got? Come on, baby, come on. We got him. We got him. All right, y'all. So that was, I'm just a lucky bastard. All right, y'all. As you can see, your boy hit, man. I'm not even gonna wait for the Champs app. There's no reason, even if I hit they can keep them. I hit on my court purples, I hit on my pine greens. That was the reason for this video today. I hope y'all hit as well. Hey, if you did not hit, don't give up there. It turns into first come first serve after everybody picks up their pairs or don't pick up their pairs. If there's a city gear in your city or all those other like Jimmy Jazz and stuff like that, find out when their raffles end, be first in line, go pick them up then. So there's, just because you didn't hit on the app don't mean you can't hit. Go on and wait in line if you really, really want these sneakers. So good luck to all y'all. Thank y'all for coming to watch another video. Y'all know how I finish these videos. OV!